Okay, this is our camping trip, and we're camping in the desert this time. So we're out in the middle of the desert, and usually we camp someplace where it's real flat, but today we decided to come out where there's a few little hills, and we're actually camping on a mound. So all around us seems to be a wash, a lot of bushes, cactus, mountains off in the distance over there. So we are going to camp out in the desert, and we're going to set up our truck tent this time. So this will be fun. We'll see how that goes. I've swept out the bed of the truck, so we're ready to put the truck tent up, but I wanted to show this, what truck tent we're using. This one is made for the back of trucks, and this is the kind we're using. Sports Truck Tents makes them, Napier brand, and it has a chart right here as to which tent fits which truck bed. So we got the one for our truck, which is a Ford. So this is actually what it is going to look like when we get it set up, minus the little canopy, maybe. So this is what we're going to set it up as. And after we get that set up, we're going to put inside the mattress. And the mattress is a regular blow-up mattress, but it has a fleece top, and it has a cutout right here for the wheel well. So it's made just for truck beds. And it's really nice. We've used it several times, so we really like it. And you blow it up real full, and it's great to sleep on. After we do that, then we're going to put our sleeping bag, which is a double sleeping bag. And this is a Grizzly sleeping bag, and it's a minus 25, even though it's like 80 degrees out here right now. But when it gets cooler tonight, it'll be fine. So we'll set that up, and we'll show you how we're going to do that. Exhausting effort of putting up a truck tent and getting everything set up. The fun part is going exploring. So we're going to go exploring and look in the desert, see what all kinds of things we can find. We're going to go down in a wash. I've just found some pretty interesting things down here. Little animals or big animals have been here. There's the other side. That's the fun of it, just exploring, finding new things. That's another flat spot we came up onto. Another place to camp. Okay, making potato pancakes in the skillet. And we'll heat up the other stuff. Okay, so a recap of our camping trip. We're home now, but a recap of how things went. The sleeping bag worked well. It was really warm. It was 80 degrees about when we got there, and it got down to maybe 50 or 60. But the sleeping bag was really warm. It's always really warm when we take it camping. The mattress worked out really well. It didn't deflate at all. It held up well. The tent went up really well, came down really well. We're satisfied and really happy with everything. We got to go exploring, which was fun, and made dinner over the campfire, and everything went well. The only thing that I would do different is find another spot. The place we went was fine, and it was really nice because there were washes to walk through and hills all around. The colors were beautiful. It was fun. It was a nice place, but we were only not very far from the road, which we didn't think would be a problem, but it turned out to be a problem because every little while there would be cars running up and down the road, even in the middle of the night, and we're just going to have to find another place. But all in all, it turned out good. So we'll see you on the next video.